Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sigar Kanti. In this video, we find the volume generated by a revolving closed curve. Suppose the curve is like this, that is y equal to f of x is a closed curve enclosing an area, say A. If it revolves around x-axis, then the volume generated by revolving this closed curve is given by v equal to double integral over a 2 pi y dA. That is double integral over a 2 pi y dA is nothing but dx into dy. And if the curve is in polar form, r equal to f of theta, and if this curve revolves about the initial line, then the volume is given by double integral over a 2 pi r square sin theta d theta into dr. One example, find the volume of solid generated by revolving the asteroid x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3 equal to a to the power of 2 by 3 about x-axis. We know that the asteroid shape of the asteroid is like this. This is the asteroid x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 equal to a to the power of 2 by 3. This curve, that is A, B, C, revolves around x-axis, then some solid figure is formed. We have to find the volume of that solid. Here, as this curve is symmetrical about the y-axis as well as x-axis, then what I do here is, first I will find out the volume generated by revolving the curve AB around x-axis. Then I will get half of that figure and I will multiply this by 2. Then I will get the volume of the whole figure, right? Here, if I take this curve, that is from A to B only, then what are the limits? Here y equal to 0, if I take the strip along y-axis, y equal to 0 here. At this point, this is the top of this strip. Y value is given by a raised to 2 by 3 minus x raised to 2 by 3 equal to 3 to the power of 3 by 2. Because here we have its equation is x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 equal to a raised to 2 by 3. Or we can write a to the power of 2 by 3 equal to y to the power of 2 by 3 equal to a to the power of 2 by 3 minus x to the power of 2 by 3. Or y equal to a raised to 2 by 3 minus x raised to 2 by 3 whole to the power 3 by 2. Y ranges from 0 to a raised to 2 by 3 minus x raised to 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3 by 2. And x ranges from this point to this point, that is O to A. At the point to O, x equal to 0. At the point A, x equal to A. So if this curve, that AB rotates around x-axis, then the figure formed by revolving this is like this, x to the power of 2 by 3. Okay. Yeah. So this is half of the figure. Okay. And full figure is given by, this is the full figure. If the curve rotates around x-axis, then what I am getting is, this is the shape of that figure. We have to find the volume of this figure. Okay. Now, so volume generated is equal to twice the volume generated by the revolving AB around x-axis. Y ranges from 0 to a raised to 2 by 3 minus x raised to 2 by 3 to the power of 3 by 2. And x ranges from 0 to a. Just we have to integrate this. So that is v equal to 2 into 0 to a, 0 to 2 into 0 to a, 0 to a raised to 2 by 3 minus x raised to 2 by 3 to the power of 3 by 2 into 2 pi y into dy dx. integrating with respect to y first, we get integrate 2 pi as it is, okay, 2 pi as it is, and 2 pi, this is 2 into 2 becomes 4 pi, y integration is y square by 2, this is between 0 to a raised to 2 by 3 minus x raised to 2 by 3 whole to the power 3 by 2 into dx. This is equal to, here 4 by 2 becomes 2 pi y square, that is this square. So 2 gets cancelled. I am getting a raised to 2 by 3 minus x raised to 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3 minus the lower limit value is 0. So now we have to integrate this with respect to x. For this, what I do here is I will put I will take the substitution, put x equal to a into cos cube theta, then differentiating, getting dx is equal to 3a cos square theta into cos theta derivatives minus sin theta d theta. And here x ranges from 0 to a. When x equal to 0, I am getting cos cube theta equal to 0 or cos theta equal to 0 or theta is equal to pi by 2. And when x equal to a, this a by a equal to 1, that is cos cube theta equal to 1, cos theta equal to 1, therefore theta equal to 0. So that is theta ranges from pi by 2 to 0. So this is our 2 pi, and here I am substituting for this x here, a into cos cube theta. This becomes a to the power of 2 by 3, okay, a to the power of 2 by 3 into cos square theta, and I will take a to the power of 2 by 3 common factor. Here there remains 1 minus cos square, okay, 1 minus cos square, and a to the power of 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3 is nothing but a square, okay, this is our a square, 2 pi a square, integration from pi by 2 to 0, theta varies from pi by 2 to 0. This is 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Sin square theta to the power of 3 sin 6th theta into dx. Dx is minus 3a cos square theta sin theta d theta. Minus 3a cos square theta sin theta d theta. This is equal to, now here I will interchange the limits, upper to lower, lower to upper, then I have to change the sign of the integration. Minus is there, this will become plus. 2 into 3 is 6, pi as it is, a square into a is a cube into sin 6 into sin is sin to the power of 7 into cos square theta d theta. So this is equal to 6 pi a cube. Here I will use a reduction formula, 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power of m theta cos to the power of n theta. So numerator becomes 7 minus 1 is 6, 4, 2 into 1 divided by 7 plus 2 is 9, 7, 5, 3 into 1 here, because this is odd, okay. Then after simplifying this, I am getting the value as 32 divided by 105 pi a cube. This is the required volume. Next example. Find the volume generated by revolving the line x by a plus y by b equal to 1 around x axis from x equal to 0 to x equal to a. This is nothing but a straight line. X by a plus y by b equal to 1 is the straight line which makes x intercept equal to a and y intercept equal to b. So that is the straight line cuts x axis at the point a comma 0 and y axis at the point 0 comma b. So this is the straight line. Yeah, this is the straight line. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1, or y by b equal to 1 minus x by a, or y equal to b by a into a minus x. So this is the line. This is the line revolving around x axis. Here this is the region of integration here. Here at this point y equal to 0 and at this point y equal to b by a into a minus x. These are the limits of y. Y ranges from 0 to b by a into a minus x. X ranges from this point O to a. At the point O, x equal to 0. At the point A, x equal to a. Okay. Limits of x are 0 to a. Limits of y are 0 to b by a into a minus x. And it is rotating around x-axis. Then this is my formula. B equal to 0 to a, 0 to b by a into a minus x, 2 pi y dy dx. 2 pi as it is, 0 to a as it is. Integration of y is y square by 2 between 0 and b by a into a minus x dx. Okay. Now here this 2 gets cancelled. Then this will be pi integration 0 to a. Substituting the upper limit here. Okay. B by a into a minus x to the power of 2. This will be b square by a square. Okay, b square by a square, and a minus x whole square. A minus x whole square into dx. A minus x whole square into dx integration is a minus x whole cube by 3 by minus 1. A minus x whole cube by 3, because this coefficient of x is minus 1, I have to write a minus 1 minus sign here. This is between 0 and a. Now substituting the upper limit, if I put x equal to a, then a minus a becomes 0. So this whole term becomes 0. Substituting the upper limit, whole term becomes 0. And then substituting the lower limit, minus of minus, this becomes plus. I am putting x equal to 0 here. This becomes a cube. Okay, a cube, and in the denominator plus 3. A cube by a square, 1a remains in the numerator and 3 remains in the denominator. That is pi b square a by 3. Pi b square a by 3 is the volume. Next example. Find the volume generated by revolving the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 about the x-axis. See, this is my ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This rotates around x-axis. That is the curve ABC rotates around x-axis. Now, what I do here is I will rotate the curve AB around x-axis. Then I am getting this portion. Okay, that is half of the figure, half of the whatever the figure generating. I am getting half of the figure. And this is similar to this dimension here. Therefore, here, if I find the volume of this portion and if I multiply by 2, then I will get the volume of the whole figure. Here, this is my region of integration. Y ranges from 0 to. Here the equation of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, or y square by b square equal to 1 by 1 minus x square by a square, or finally we are getting y equal to b by a into root of a square minus x square. That y ranges from 0 to b by a into root of a square minus x square, and x ranges from 0 to a. These are the limits of x and y. And the figure generated by, suppose this AB rotates around x-axis, then how is the figure, how it looks like? Yeah. Suppose that AB rotates around x-axis, I am getting this half. Okay, and another half is here. Yeah, this is the full figure. So this is the 3-dimensional figure when the ellipse rotates around the x-axis. Okay, now Yeah. This rotates around x-axis, then I will write this the volume is equal to twice the volume generated by AB. Okay, so that is volume generated by revolving ABC equal to twice the volume generated by AB around x-axis. Just we have to take the double integration. It is given by 2 times x ranges from 0 to a, y ranges from 0 to b by a into root of a square minus x square, 2 pi y dy dx, integrating 2 into 2 is 4 pi y integration y square by 2 between 0 to b by a root of a square minus x square into dx. 4 pi divided by 2, this will become 2 pi, and substituting the upper limit here, b by a into root of this, that is b square by a square I am writing outside, and square of this a square minus x square is just a square minus x square into dx. Again integrating with respect to x, 2 pi as it is, b square by a square as it is, a square integration is a square into x minus x square integration is x cube by 3 between 0 and a. This is 2 pi b square by a square. Upper limit a, this will become a cube minus, this is a cube by 3. A cube minus a cube by 3 is 2a cube by 3. Okay, 2a cube by 3. Now here 1a square, this 1a square gets cancelled. 1a remains here. This is 2 into 2 is 4 pi b square a by 3. That is 4 by 3. Pi b square a is the required volume. Next, one more example. Find the volume generated by revolving the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 about y-axis. Okay, about y-axis. See, this is our x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, and if this rotates around y-axis, so that is, this is the curve BAD rotating around y-axis. What I do here is, first I will take this portion, this whole curve BAD rotates around y-axis. For this, I will rotate BA, that is, or AB around y-axis. Then I am getting the upper portion of that solid figure. And as this is symmetrical about the x-axis and symmetrical about the y-axis, therefore the required volume is nothing but the double. So first, if I revolve AB around y-axis, I am getting half of the volume. If I multiply by 2, then I will get the required volume. Here I will take the strip around along x-axis, x equal to 0 here. At this point, x equal to a by b into root of b square minus y square, because we have x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. From this we write x square by a square equal to 1 minus b square by 1 minus y square by b square, or x square by a square equal to b square minus y square by b square, and multiplying by a square on both the sides, we are getting x square equal to a square by b square into b square minus y square, or x equal to a by b into root of b square minus y square. Okay. Now here, if how the figure looks, if it rotates around y-axis, how is the figure? The figure is, yeah. So this is the, if upper portion, that is AB rotates around y-axis, I am getting this figure. This is the solid, and both, then the whole figure is like this. Okay, this is just like a disc-like figure I am generating if it rotates around the y-axis. Okay. Now, formula is like this: b equal to twice 0 to b. Here y ranges from X ranges from 0 to a by b into root of a square minus y square. Y ranges from 0 to this point. So that is 0 to this point means 0 to b here. Okay. Formula just instead of 2 pi y I have to write 2 pi x dx dy. So this is 2 into 2 4 pi. X integration is x square by 2 between 0 and a by b root of b square minus y square into dx. Substituting the upper limit 4 by 2, this will become 2 pi a square by b square and root x square, root of b square minus y square whole square, just b square minus y square into dy. Again integrating this 2 pi a square by b square as it is. B square integration with respect to y is b square y minus y square integration y cube by 3. This is between 0 and b. Putting y equal to b here, we get b cube minus b cube by 3. This is 2 times b cube by 3. 2 times b cube by 3. B square, 1 b square gets cancelled. B remains in the numerator. 3 remains in the denominator. Okay. 2 in the numerator, I am getting 2b by 3. So that is totally 4b pi a square divided by 3. 4 by 3 pi a square b a square into b is the required volume. Next, one more example. Find the volume generated by revolution of the cardioid R equal to A into 1 plus cos theta about the initial line. This is in polar form. In polar form, we have the formula. So this is my cardioid. This is rotating around its initial line. Okay. Then the formula is given by to find the volume. Here what happens is R ranges from this point pole to some anywhere here. At this point R equal to A into 1 plus cos theta. Okay. And theta ranges from, so here I am rotating this curve around the initial line. Theta ranges from, at this point theta equal to 0, and at this point again it's coming here, at this point theta equal to pi. So theta equal to 0, here theta equal to pi, and here at this point theta is here theta equal to pi by 2, here theta equal to pi, that is 0, at this point pi by 2, at this point pi. Theta ranges from 0 to pi, R ranges from 0 to A into 1 plus cos theta. These are the limits of R and theta. Then volume is given by, we have this formula, 2 pi r square sin theta dr into d theta. So that is theta ranges from 0 to pi, R ranges from 0 to A into 1 plus cos theta, 2 pi r square sin theta into d theta. Okay. 2 pi r square into dr I have to write here. Okay. dr is missing. Okay. Now integrating, first I will integrate with respect to r. 2 pi, okay, r square integration, sin theta is a constant quantity. R square integration is r cube by 3, this is between 0 to a into 1 plus cos theta into sin theta as it is, d theta as it is. This is equal to 2 pi. Substituting the upper limit here, r cube a into 1 plus cos theta whole cube divided by 3 into sin theta into d theta. This is equal to 2 pi a cube, okay, a cube by 3 outside. What is the integration of this? That is, we have to, I will integrate this by substitution method. Put 1 plus cos theta equal to say something t, then this will become t cube. Then differentiating, I am getting sin theta d theta equal to minus dt. So that is here. This will become like t cube into minus dt. So minus as it is, t cube integration is t to the power of 4 divided by 4. This is between 0 and pi. So that again I will substitute this for this t, then I am getting like this. Or you can consider like this: some function to the power of n into function dash x. For function dash x, I have to multiply by -1. I have to divide this by -1. Okay. 3 I am writing outside here. Integration of this function to the power of n is function to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. This is between 0 to pi. Substituting the upper limit, what I am getting here is cos of pi. Cos pi is -1. Plus 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. So upper limit, substituting theta equal to pi, I am getting whole thing equal to 0. Minus of minus is plus. Okay. And substituting this theta equal to 0, I am getting cos 0 equal to 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 raised to 4, 16. 16 by 4. 16 by 4 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. Pi a cube divided by 3. This is the required volume. Okay, thank you. I will stop here.